doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh, you speak French now.
As you know, or maybe you don't know, we have been staying 2 days at the Global Villa, which is in Isha. If I said a place wrong, gonna correct me, you know? Is it Isha or Esha? Any one of them, somebody tell me how it go. So we were staying at Global Villa, so I'm outside Global Villa now. So I'm gonna turn the camera around for sure, no? Hold on. Right, so we have been staying at Global Villa Hotel and Conference, accommodation, weddings and events, restaurant, bar, swimming pool and rest stop. Telephone number 076 956 2916. Yeah? God denies. The website is www.globalvillahotel.com. Right, so this is outside of the property. I'll turn the camera around now so you can see it's on a main road, it's on a flat, it's not on no hill. So anybody with weight issues like myself, now to kill up themselves about going up the hill or coming off a hill, it's all flat. Yes, I'm gonna enter the property and walk around a little, show you. We're trying to head out, so I'm in a bit of a rush because it was such a busy weekend. I didn't really get a chance to do it. So this is a building, you can see it, yellow and white. Yeah, so when you're passing from the main road, look out for a yellow and white building. So this is the, so you're actually driving over there. I just walked in the other way. So you drive in and the car park is situated at the back of the property. Yeah? So I'm going to walk around and show you some more. We're currently having breakfast for family. So let me show you some of them. These are our family members, just finished having breakfast this morning. And how was breakfast, guys, at Global Villa Hotel? You just spilt the coffee, Junior? It was good. How was the breakfast here in the morning? You've had breakfast 2 days now. 9 out of 10. And what was on the menu? What did you have? It's a proper, real, authentic Jamaican breakfast. And let's talk to Miss Marsha, who lives currently in Jamaica. What you think? How was the breakfast for a Jamaican born and grow and live here? How was it? At 7? 7 out of 10? 7 out of 10. So one says 9 out of 10, but they will say you're a foreigner now, so you don't know no difference. That's why I want to talk to the real 7, right? So it's a 7, okay. So we're gonna talk to some. Woo! Jesus! What's the matter? Ashley? We're gonna talk to some British children now to see what they think. What, the breakfast? How was the breakfast? Solid 8. What would you say? Solid 8 out of 10? What would you say? 7. So we're getting a 7 and an 8 from the British children here. So if they say that, what are you? You're playing Jamaica. So should I walk around the back or walk through? Okay, I'm gonna walk through the property. So in here is another, so where I just showed you is a dining. So in here as well is another dining area. So you can either eat outside, as I just showed you, or you can eat inside. Yeah, so this is the dining area here. So in that corner there, so this is the dining area. So in this corner here are some of the bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1. I won't enter because someone's working at the moment. One of our Junior's niece is working. She works from home, so she's on the laptop in there, so I won't disturb her. We have more rooms in this corridor here. So this is room number 2. So this is the room we were staying in.
Room number 3.
And that's room number 3. So this consists of a double bed and a single bed. Yeah? And room number 3 there. And then we move through. So in the mornings you get your coffee thermos, You get your Milo, you got your peppermint medley, coffee, you got your hot chocolate, which is Milo. What's this, herbal tea? Yeah, you get your milk, you get your sugar, and you can top up and take away your cups and stuff like that for your journey. Yeah. We then walk through to another corridor, and this is the upper landing. So they've got lovely wooden beams and wooden staircase. And there are more rooms upstairs of the property. So some of the members of our families were staying upstairs. I haven't been up there, but you can walk up there now. Right, okay, yeah, so we're just gonna take you up. As you can see, got 2 paintings on the wall to give the real authentic Jamaican look with the dark wood. Anyone that's been to Jamaica knows the tradition is very dark wood. Yeah, so there's some rooms upstairs.
Okay, that's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice room.
Yeah.
Oh, this is just
Oh.
as a kitchenette room. Oh. So it consists of 2 double beds. Oh, it is bigger. Way bigger than the second one we was in. So it consists of 2 double beds, a 3-seat sofa, and a kitchenette. Which is cute. You've got your stove. It's small, but you don't need no more than this. You have microwave, you have freezer, you have fridge. Yeah, you got your cutlery as well. Right, a little kitchenette, which is cute. So those of you who don't want food prepared for you, this place also does breakfast, lunch and dinner. So you can select what you want and they prepare it for you. And then this is the bathroom. This one's different because there's shower and toilet, but it's different, isn't it? Ah, right. So I'm being told it was originally 2 separate rooms. Shower and toilet separate. Right. Right. So they've just made it like a throughway. Yeah. So it's not so pokey. Let me see your balcony. Well, I can imagine.
They said a guy stayed here for 2 weeks.
Right. Ah. The only thing I would say is not wheelchair accessible.
This step is too high.
It's very high. So if you have mobility issues like myself, it is a bit of a, you know, it's a heave to get up. So anybody with wheelchairs or mobility issues, I wouldn't rook this room. You'd have to go downstairs. But this is very nice. You get up in the morning, you sit out, you rock, Savannah's rocking. Yeah? Yeah, you collect your thoughts, hold a medi before you start your day, say your prayers for those who are into the Christianity and just, you know, whatever. Relax. I would say this property is a 2-star. We've stayed at quite a lot of properties from 5-star, go right down, and I would give this a comfortable 2-star. That's not for the hospitality and the staff. The staff, I think, have been excellent. They're very attentive. There's nothing you ask for that they don't do. Any problems with, I don't know, this not working or that not working, they deal with them quite quickly. But the reason I'll give the property a 2-star is just that it needs a makeover. It needs a lift, a facelift. And I think most properties, to be honest, you know, need... The price is good. The price is very good. For what it is, the price is good. So if you're looking for a base, you have a busy weekend or you come here for a Pacific whatever, the price is good. I would say, yeah, it's along the budget hotels, which is why I give it a 2-star. Yeah? Finishing this room now? And they've also got a fire extinguisher, which is good. Yeah, room 8 is good because you've got this area as well.
They got another balcony.
Yeah. You got this area as well. So you can walk outside. So we can walk this way then. Can we? Is it locked? No, it's locked. Oh, security reasons. Okay, but you can exit the room or the property from there. So we're going to walk back downstairs And I'm going to show you where the car park is and where the other rooms and the swimming pool is. So when you drive in from the entrance, you drive straight through, and this is the car park area.
Where's the pool?
So the pool is behind us. I know you don't see the pool. Let's see the pool, Savannah. Savannah, you going to guide us to the pool?
Yeah.
Savannah's going to show us the pool. Yeah? So, we didn't get a chance to use the pool because we was only here for 2 days. Yeah, it hasn't been... Right, so at the moment, the pool, this is the access to the pool. The pool hasn't been cleaned. It's not ready for use. When I say not ready for use, it can be used, but they haven't cleaned it and sorted it out as yet. I guess if we were staying longer, they might have made more of an artificial grass and artificial backdrop. If you like this wall, GW Landscape, as you know, for those of you who know or don't know, we own a landscaping company, so we can provide you with things like this if you're having functions or just in your own garden. We have some in our garden. So yeah, so this is your pool. It gets very hot here, so if you're having any functions, I'd probably ask if you could order umbrellas as well, because it's very warm. It's only 9 o'clock now, or 9:30, and it's hot, so I'd probably, if you're having a function or staying here, ask if there's any umbrellas. Yep, so we come down. That's our cable. We can also, you can do these as well, and it fit these as well. So our company, GW Landscape, can also fit these cable ballast rails. So if you want anything like this for your garden, then give us a call. We can fit these as well. Yeah.
Paint. Stairs.
And anyone in Jamaica, if you want your garden landscape, we do travel. We are designing. We are an international landscaping company. So if you want a British flair to your Jamaican or Caribbean or USA garden, give us a call. Yeah, we can design for you or travel and actually arrange your garden landscaping. So here is a little pavilion. So I take it if you're doing a wedding, that is where you get married. Yeah, that's where you say your vows, and they'd probably set up the seating area here. Yeah, so you say I do. So you walk up here in it, Judah, with the pastor, and you stand here and face your audience there, and you say I do. In it, Savannah. Yeah, and then you'd walk back. So if you're getting married, you'd walk in through here. This would be your entrance, and all your guests would be seated here. You see me, will I give you wedding ideas? And you walk down, yeah, you walk down through here, past your guests, and got there. That's right. Okay, so back down here, we walk through the rest of the property. This is a conference room, but I'm not sure it's open. I wonder if she could get us a key. Wonder if we could go in there.
We can do it and then.
All right, we'll come back here. I'll come back to the conference room. I'm going to see if I can get a key. So this building, we was in this building the first night we got here. So we was in room number 16, and the room faces the back of the property. There's not much to see at the back. I saw a cow and some land. There's nothing really to see back there. But yeah, if you go, it just leads you straight up these stairs, and then along the passageway, you have your room. What do you want to say?
24 hours security.
Yes, also, which is a big importance, and most people are concerned about when they visit Jamaica, the security and the safety aspect is 24-hour security. We got here about 9 o'clock at night on Christmas Day.
11.
We got here 11 at night, Christmas night, because we went to a function, as you know, in the day. And when we came, the security was right there. So we were like, that's good. So yeah, security was there. So it is a safe property. Security is on board. Yeah. Anything else you want to do? You want to actually go up there? All right, so Judah's going to go up. So as you can see for yourself, it's a lot of stairs, which is why we talk about that if you have mobility issues. Yeah. We stayed here as a party of 11. Yeah, there was 11 of us, and we're all family, so we had 3 rooms. Right, so we're back inside. So this is indoor, sorry. So this is the bar and a shop. So you can get your little snacks. Yeah, you can get your little snacks. They play music. You can get ice cream. You can get your cocktails. You can get your spirits. They sell raw honey. Juno's always running down raw honey. They sell raw honey. They have a little Jamaica t-shirt there if you want to get a little vibe. You know, they kind of cater, they think of everything. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it really. Right, yeah.
It was a pleasure having you here
Thank
at Global
you.
Villa.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
We had a great stay.
Wonderful,
Yes.
wonderful. You must come again.
Definitely.
I'll just give you a little
Yes,
synopsis
please.
about Global Villa.
Yeah.
Global Villa, of course, is a family-run business. It has been in operation for 30 years.
Wow.
It was a project that was just started by my mother,
Oh.
right, whilst I was in education in the UK.
Right, right.
Her idea was that she'd like all her children to own a little bit of something
That's
in
right.
Jamaica. So the idea was for her to build me a house.
Right.
I came here and I found that she had this huge
Yeah.
house. I said, what am I going to do with that? I
Yeah.
only have 2 children.
Yeah.
So she said, never mind, she has an idea. And that's how the inception of Global Villa grew from a tiny seed to now we have a 14-bedroom.
Oh, it's 14 bedrooms.
14 bedrooms, yeah. A conference center. We've trained the students here for over 15 years.
Oh.
Right, all those students which use the Global Villa Hotel to do their hands-on training,
Right.
and then they were placed in all the hotels, so they service the hotels.
Oh.
Right, so we've been doing that for over 15 years. We've now taken a new change, you know, as business go on, we develop and changes, so
Right.
we're now taking a new
Direction.
direction into the business. But it has been a home away from home.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
persons come here, they're very comfortable.
Yes.
They have a touch of the English,
Yeah.
bit of the American,
Yeah.
and of course a lot of the Jamaican,
Jamaican.
culture. And
Right.
it's a combination, and you know, we enjoy doing it. It's just fun for me.
Yeah, yeah.
And the people who come here, it seems to just really feel at home and enjoy it.
Yeah.
And that's what we like about Global
Right.
Villa. Yes.
Right,
Yeah.
excellent. Yeah, I thought definitely, because I found one video on YouTube and I like the set. I think your sister was here, they were all by the pool and they
Right.
were talking,
Yeah.
laughing. I thought that's where we need to go. 2 nights, close to where our family
Right.
is, we're targeting there. So I thought it'd be nice to show more and do more videos so when
Right,
people are
right.
Googling or on YouTube, they can actually see. We've managed to show them the whole property, meet the owner, and you know, just get a real feel and yay, why not?
Of course, you know, because we are the way that we are situated, right,
Yes.
is right in between Negril and Montego Bay.
That's right. Yeah, that's what I didn't
30
say.
minutes from Montego Bay and 30 minutes from Negril. It makes it an ideal location where
Yes.
persons who don't wish to be in the very busy,
That's right. You're
hectic,
just a bit
area,
out.
it's a place where you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Excellent. And I was also saying that you have a conference room, so you do weddings
Yes,
and
we
functions.
do all kind of weddings,
Yeah.
seminars, birthday parties.
Right.
The capacity is 120 persons.
Right. Oh,
right?
okay.
And of course, if it's a theatre style, it can be up to 150 people.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. So,
Yes.
guys, you've heard it for yourself. Any questions you want to ask, Junior?
Yeah, so in terms of the hotel, you provide breakfast, lunch, and
Right.
Yeah.
Another aspect of our business is that we are the designated rest stop by the tourist board
Right.
for all persons commuting between Negril and Montego Bay. So persons, the tour buses will stop off. They'll
Right.
have refreshment. We are the best jerk in the West, of
Yeah.
course. So the bus drivers always prompt their
Right.
clients.
To
and they
count.
stop
Yeah.
off
Oh,
to
that's
have their
good.
jerk chicken, the cold red stripe bear,
Yeah.
refreshment, and of course use the restroom.
So
Excellent.
if you're staying here and you just want to chill for the day, you don't have to worry about breakfast, lunch.
So all
Everything
done.
is
Everything
provided.
Okay, so that's
Right.
good for people to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful.
Because
Yeah.
sometimes people come here, they might think, you know, right,
It's not near
it's
anything.
not
They
near,
can't
like-
get
Right,
anything,
no.
but it's
So,
all
yeah,
here.
At least you know, yeah. Because sometimes
Right.
people travel and they don't really want to, they just want to chill,
Chill
they just
out.
want to relax, you know.
Right.
But when they're here of like a villa, they're probably thinking, well,
They got to get a
gonna have to
chef.
go
They
and
got to
get
get
food,
food.
Right.
But it's
No,
literally all
everything
here.
is done here.
Right.
And if you're a vegan, you know, we cater for all different types of
Yeah.
so basically you don't have to
cuisine.
drive to stay here. You don't have to have a drive, yeah.
No.
So that's
Yeah.
good.
And oftentimes persons
Yeah.
come in and they just think they're coming for a drink and
Yeah.
they end up staying here
Yeah.
for a couple of days.
Yeah,
Because, you know,
which
we
is
have
good.
everything.
Yeah,
Of
yeah.
course, you
Yeah.
have the swimming pool. You can make
Yes,
use of that.
yes.
And,
That's nice.
you
nice.
know,
I
the
just say,
ambience.
I just said it's a home from home.
Home
Yeah.
away
We
from
came here, we
home.
walk in and we go in the room and it felt like
Yeah, home. Yeah, like we'd
lived.
lived. Yeah.
It's homely. Yeah, it's homely.
Yeah, we love that. Okay, we're gonna speak to your manager now, which is my cousin. That's the next story.
Did we get her name?
My name is Gloria. Gloria Spence.
Gloria
Gloria
Spence.
Spence. Okay, so yeah, so when you come, yeah, Miss Gloria is here. Well, you're not always hearing it, but
Back and forth.
Back and forth.
Back and forth.
Okay.
The life of a villa owner. We all want to get to that life.
Thank you so much.
No
for coming.
problem. Thank you for your hospitality.
Coming to
And
Global
your
Villa.
staff are lovely. She's got good staff.
Thank you.
Yeah?
They are
Very,
excellent.
very
They are.
patient. Yeah.
They're
Very
patient. They're attentive. Coming to look for you. Look. Auntie Barbara.
And it's so funny, we're all away. She's in Jamaica.
Yeah. I'll call when I get back to Wi-Fi. I'll call you.
It's so weird, isn't it? Well, it's good seeing you. Enjoy. She can't hear that well.
Oh, when I get back, I'll.
Tell her she'll call you. See you later. All right. Bye.
Right. Oh, bless her. Right. So right. So I'm gonna say obviously we're cousins. Now I'm gonna ask you how we're cousins. I know our brothers, our parents, are brothers and sisters. Are they not?
No,
Or have I
it's
gone too?
that's my great auntie.
Who's your great auntie?
Remember, granddad was my great granddad.
Oh, he's your great and he's my granddad. Right. So we're second cousins. Is that how it goes?
So you and her mom will be two first cousins. So she and Ash will be second cousin. So she's your second cousin.
Second, isn't it?
Yeah.
So our parents are what? Daddy is what to her?
Her granduncle.
Oh, he's great. Oh, so you're the second generation down.
Yeah,
You thinking we're the same age. How old are you?
35.
Last year, all I tossed them 10 years old. I was there saying, yeah, we're the same. Everyone, this is a big surprise. We walked in to check in 11 o'clock at night. Did I not speak to you earlier on in the night? Right. I heard the British accent, but I just thought, okay, true, the lady lives in England. It's common sense there'll be some British people there. When me turn up, and I'm talking to her to check in, I said, the first thing I said to her is, you're from Birmingham. She's like, yeah. And then I said, you're a twin. She was like, yeah. And then I couldn't get the name and I couldn't get the people. Then I was like, oh, Granddad Butty. And she was still kind of looking at me. And then I said Gibbons. And then she was like, yeah. So we're family. Now, I still don't quite know. Junior's telling me about my own family. I'm so rubbish. He said that's a structure. So my granddad is what to you? Your great granddad. Great.
Great, it would be great.
Yeah, great granddad.
Right, great granddad. So my granddad, my dad's dad, is her great granddad. So your mum is who to my dad?
Would be uncle. My mom would be niece and
Ah.
So your mom. So
who's your mum?
Her mom and you.
Lynette.
That's
my mom.
it, Lynette.
So her mom and you, two first cousins, the two siblings, kids, yeah. So
Yeah.
she's a.
Because don't you remember when we was at the hospital?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I was saying.
I've still got the
yeah,
picture,
it's
you
from.
know.
I said, remember when we was at the hospital? So you're
the
the.
second generation.
So I'm the second generation. This is the first. So she's a baby.
Generation.
We don't need to talk about ages now.
Yeah, no. We're as old as how we look.
But yeah, it was so nice to see. Because literally, I haven't seen her from my granddad died. Because you live in Birmingham, I live London, and just you know how it goes. We just link up. We're just here. She's in Jamaica. You're living the life that I want to live. Because that is my end goal, like to be out here. I've got no interest in retiring in England.
Yeah,
So the fact that you're here now, young and doing it, experience it, I just think it's great. So she is the manager for this property. She's been really good, really attentive, excellent customer care. She's bringing in the British flavour, as in the quickness. Now, I'm not saying the Jamaicans are not quick. I don't want nobody come for me in the comment section. They're going to done me. But me just attack our customer services. We just have a slight, they always say we're in a rush, but that's just how we know how to do things. I think it just gives it a little twist. It just gives it that twist. For any British people staying here, they will get it.
Yeah.
But yeah, what do you want to ask?
So, did you know the owner before you came here, or you?
Yeah. So before, not for very long, I know her grandson. So her grandson was one of my friends. Cool. And then the link just happened that way. Yeah. So
I just discovered her on YouTube. I was looking for somewhere to stay near the function.
Yeah.
And this came up. I think she had her sister here. They were by the pool. And I was like, that looks like the type of place. The world is just too funny. And my auntie Barbara is in Kingston on holiday as well. We just talked to her on video call. So yeah, so it's one big link up. But we have to go because the family are in a rush. Yeah, everyone's packing up. They're leaving us. So I think we've done everything.
I just need your number.
Oh, yes, please. Right. Don't take my number. People who are run me down. You understand, Judy? If you want your wife, don't take it.
+44. +44 now.
So
The Williams family, my family too. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend.
I mean.
That's it.
Thank you.